Hi everyone, this is a review of room 5101 at the Palms Turks Caicos. Full disclosure, we've already been here for a couple nights, so it might be a little bit dirtier than it normally is, but just want to give you a quick tour. This is the guest bath. In here you actually have a washer and dryer, which is cool, and they supply you with all the supplies to do some laundry. So good little extra bathroom here. We were told that this was one of the more newly renovated units. I had seen some reviews out there about some of the units being a little bit older. This one has been updated. Panning over, you actually have a full kitchen. Didn't realize that coming into here, but have an espresso maker. They refill the pods daily. It's fantastic. Also, breakfast was included with our stay here, so get plenty of coffee there. Nice appliances, actually Vikings, and then built-in fridge here, full size. So if you do want to cook, you have the option. Looks like they have plenty of storage here, cutting boards, some pallets, full dishwasher, which is nice. A little added bonus. Storage area underneath here. Checking in here, you got pots and pans, and then the drawer, some table cabinets, full silverware selection. These are just faux, and yeah, little trash can there. Again, Viking appliances, plenty of glasses, so for any kind of drink you want to put together, you got it. Full microwave here, pretty large. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, more plates. Tableware, and a blender. That's important. Okay, did not know they had that. Looks modernized, you know, really got that island feel. See over here, I was actually watching, my son is here with us, and he's sleeping on the pull-out couch, which comes with a nice view here. We didn't know if we wanted the bottom unit, didn't realize we were getting it, but I actually love it because it's located right next to the pool. Still have great views, maybe not as great as one floor up, but you definitely have more space outside. We'll go there in a second. I was watching the game here with my son yesterday. This is, oh, here are the poles, difficult to open. One thing you'll notice is the TV is incredibly low, but let's face it, if you're out here on vacation, you're probably not watching a lot of TV, so it doesn't really matter anyway, but you got it. Full cable, it's able to watch sports from the US. Let's go ahead and head outside here. Multiple doors so you can keep the breeze moving through the unit. Some chairs over here. These are kind of bonus chairs. The pool is right there. You know, pros and cons, obviously with the bit of noise, but I think you're going to hear that from any one of these rooms. Plus, we checked out one of the rooms upstairs just to kind of compare and possibly check into something a little bit higher up, but they weren't as big. So you've got all the space over here, and actually, I'll walk you over here. You can walk around the corner. Super easy to get access to both the beach, right down this little boardwalk, and then over to the pool. So best of both worlds. You got the bar over there, another bar over there, very important when you're on a tropical vacation. And let's head back in and take a look at the master bedroom. Little day bed here. Again, did not see that in the units upstairs, and it's nice. Full dining room table, seating for we have here 6, right? We got the other chair over here. Again, that was the entryway, just to orient you. Again, pardon the junk here, but full king-size bed. Very comfortable. Pillows are very comfortable too. TV, lots of storage. You've got a safe in here. So this is one closet, and then a second closet over here. So definitely plenty of storage, depending on how long you're staying. But again, if you're not staying here for all that long, you have plenty of storage, and if you're staying longer, you got laundry. So we came in with carry-on, as we always do. They do have an old school bidet here if you're into that, not the more modern ones that are out there that are kind of integrated within the toilet. And it's a very low toilet. It's probably outdated. Bathtub, full jetted bathtub in there. My son used it the other day, he liked it. And then glass enclosed shower. Pressure's great, nothing super special, but perfect. So that's the review of room 5101, one of the more newly renovated units out here. They are owned condos, but we reserved it through the hotel, and that includes a complimentary breakfast. And it is a really great unit, super spacious. So if you're coming out here as a family of 4, you'll have more than enough room. Hope you enjoyed your tour, and enjoy Turks and Caicos.